Hi and welcome to the Simple Web Start Learning Center, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add a content block and then add text. So this video will cover how to find the free site builder online. We'll pick a template, then we'll select the block, and then we'll edit the text within the block, and then we'll look at it, what it looks like live. So if this is the first time you're here, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can find this page. And when you arrive here, if we scroll down to free site builder demo, click on that. That will then upload the different templates. So if you scroll down, you can keep clicking load more, and there's lots of templates on the demo that you can change. So let's say we've picked this template here. First of all, you'll get a welcome guide, which has come out of that. And then also there's the personal assistant part in the help center. But as you can see, it's not available in demo. But if you need any help, then just go to the contact form, fill the form in, and then I'll quite happily answer any questions for you. So this is the template we've got. So let's say we're going to add another content block. So we'll click the plus sign. And as you can see, if we click on these, there's different blocks you can add. So feel free to come in here, click on these, and if you click on them, they'll add it to the actual template, and then you can change. If you're looking to change images or anything like that, there is YouTube videos on the channel that you can actually look at that will show you how to do this. So let's say we'll just go for a simple one. So this is the block I want to add. So what you can do is just click on your text. You can delete it out. You can actually click on this arrow here, and what you can do, you can italic it, or you can add links. You can change the color if you want. Just click on there. So like I say, just click on that, and then you can have a play around with it and do all the things to your text. Also, when you've done your editing of your text, just click save. Let's say you want to change this here. You can highlight it, also right click and paste, so you can do it that way as well. And this is a way of adding text to a content block. Again, save changes, and then you can see it live on your website. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you on the next video.